Vill du se vattenfallet? Oj! So the coffee is ready and I'm up running. I've done a lot, some vlogging before. I've done a bunch of YouTube clips, but actually I haven't done that much of like everyday vlogging. It's not going to be everyday vlogging, probably like once a month or twice a month or something. I'm John, I'm from Sweden. When I ask my Instagram followers, if I were to do a vlog, would you prefer it to be in English or in Swedish? And so far the majority of the people ask me to do it in English. As you hear, my English is not really that good, so probably I'm gonna be lacking words and I'm gonna be yeah, you know that. Just like now, I'm gonna be waiting for the words to pop up, to pop up, to pop up, to pop up. Most of the Swedish people, they know English because we see a lot of English-speaking movies and stuff like that. So anyway, it's gonna be in English for now. Hopefully you will appreciate that. And hopefully you will understand what I'm talking about as well. So the vlog is actually what my everyday looks like. I do a bunch of traveling in the northern countries. There's going to be a lot of traveling in Sweden, in Norway, yeah, mostly Oslo. For Denmark, maybe 3 or 4 visits a year. So I work as a photographer and part-time, and I also work with a company called iPhone. We have brands like Chrome and like Teddy Tools, Lester Light, BW filters, a bunch of different stuff. Not actually cameras, but like everything else that you need for shooting in and outside the studio. My main thing is portrait, and I do a lot of product shooting, some food shooting as well. When that happens, you're gonna be tagging along if you want to. This is Monday morning, but I'm thinking maybe you could tag along for the full week. Looks like this. Okay, so I'm off to get some, I'm gonna buy some batteries, copper boards, V-flats. I'm gonna return a microphone, or a couple of microphones actually, because I've been testing for this vlog, and when I do some film works I need some portable small microphones. So I've been talking to Christer at Röd or Rode. Borrowed some microphone, testing them, and bought some, but I'm returning the test microphones. I'm on my way into Scandroff to pick up some copper boards and V-flats actually. It's been quite a problem in Sweden to get hold of V-flats, but Scandroff would do the trick, I think. Hey. Oh. Well, I'm sad to say, actually they did have the perfect thing for V-flats, but my car is too small, so I need to get a pickup or something to get the V-flats. Actually, they did have a kind that I really was hoping for, black on one side and white on the other side, so it's gonna be perfect, but I need a pickup or a small bus or something to get it to the studio. So so far, just copper fix, and the V-flats is for another day. So I just did a live shooting with on Facebook for the first time with the company iPhone. We announce an upcoming webinar, a new Elechrome ELB 500 TTL. I will have a live webinar from my studio. It's going to be in Swedish, I'm sorry to say. And then later today I'm going to do a live webinar for the guys who go the distance workshop. I don't know if you call it that. I do a course, a distant 3-week course, and once a week we meet on a live webinar. For me to be able to answer questions live, have a look, do some comments on homework. So this is the last webinar I will do for this class. I'm excited, and it's quite sad that this will be the last webinar for this class. So this is my Tuesday webinars, and I'm gonna see to it that the studio is cleaned up for the coming webinars tonight. Okay, so I'm off to Oslo today. I've been packing my car, just one bag left, and I'm leaving for Oslo for 2 days. I'm going to visit the customer, tell them a little bit more about the new Flash Elechrome ELB 500 TTL. And later this afternoon I'm going to be doing kind of a short workshop. Workshops are actually fully booked, so I'm quite happy about that. Alright, so 3-hour drive up to Oslo. Reserved for me. A short visit at the Interfoto in Oslo, and I'm gonna go to photo.no and have the workshop later today. I'm just presenting the new Flash from Elechrome here, and then off to the next stop. Every stop is a chance for coffee. Okay, so I'm at photo.no, just had myself a cup of coffee. I'm staying here to show ELB 500. It's gonna be a good day. In about 2 hours I will have a 1.5 hour session about getting started with portrait shooting. So it's actually going live, so probably I could grab some clip from that. On my way to one of my favorite restaurants in Oslo. It's close to Karl Johan, the biggest street in Oslo, I think it is. Ja, men det är trevligt. Tack så mycket. Okay, so I'm back at the hotel, and I have an issue. Sometimes in a short period of time could do quite a lot of hotel rooms. Different hotels, different rooms, especially different numbers. And what I do is take a picture of the number of the room so I can find it back. Well, this is what it looks like when you decide to wear a cap all day. I had a really nice day in Oslo. I'm staying for the night at the Thorn Hotel, I think you pronounce it. It's quite small, but it's fresh and it's nice. I'm both tired and a little bit pumped up now. That's normally the way I get when I do a great workshop. We did have a great workshop today, so I'm really happy about that. Tomorrow I will do it again. Hopefully we get the same feel to the workshop. I don't go by script or anything. I just roll with it, and sometimes it gets really good. Sometimes it just gets good. Today was a really good day. And I was out eating in one of my favorite restaurants, and had a problem with the starters. Couldn't decide, so I chose 2 of them. Shouldn't do that, but I did. And the main course was really nice as well. And it had a little note to it. It said a little bit spicy. And I'm no stranger to spicy food. I like spicy food, but I should probably make a note to myself that if you're in an Asian restaurant in Oslo and the course says a little bit spicy, they actually mean spicy. So that's what I got. I'm all right now. Wasn't that just during the meal, but I'm okay now. So as you probably realize, I'm a little bit both pumped up, sleepy at the same time. I should go to bed. Tomorrow, another day, another workshop. See ya. Jag heter John Hagby och jag är jätteglad att ni har stått ut för mig i 1,5 timme. Tack så jättemycket för att ni kom. Tack så mycket. So today it's Friday, and I've been working for like 2 or 3 weeks every day. So I'm kind of taking a day off. When I have a day off, I tend to photograph. So that's what I'm doing. I'm out with a couple of friends. Don't know for sure where they are for the moment, but we're just out in the woodland shooting some stills and having a nice time. It's really relaxing. Great work in progress. This is nature shooting at its best.
And all I gotta do is act naturally. Så, välkommen ut i burarna.
So this is Daniel. This is Ronald. Yeah. I don't know what this is. The tree
trunk.
Out in the nature, it's really hard. It's really hard to find the image. Normally I have a picture in my head, know exactly what I want, bring out the gears, bring out the flashes, so the image that I got here actually gets to be the image in the camera. With nature shooting, I have no idea. I just go around randomly trying to find the image. I'm not creating an image. I'm hunting the image the way I should shoot it. It's really hard. The woodland here is a lot of branches, a lot of colors. It's really nice when you look around. But as soon as I take a picture with my camera, it's not exactly what I'm seeing. So my trick for today is actually to go really close-up image, micro image. I think that would be more of a graphic look to it. Hopefully I get some decent image, and I'll try to get some image with more wide image, more landscaping image, more than just graphic close-up image. We'll see. We're about to leave for the next stop, and having a little bit of Swedish fika. That means coffee, cookie, maybe a sandwich, and after that we will find a new place to investigate for some new image. Oh, this is so cool. We're in Särö, close to Särö, and by the shoreline. It's really cold here. We're about to leave just because it's so cold, but I did manage to get a couple of images by the seaside, so hopefully they turn out all right. We're gonna have a cup of coffee soon, warm up a little bit, and then we're going to a waterfall. Hopefully it's water in there, we don't know for sure. Normally it's not, but we're thinking it's +3 Celsius degrees, and hopefully it's been starting to running some water in the waterfall. The wind here makes it really cold, so hopefully we will have shelter by some trees and stuff later. So coffee, waterfall, a little bit more warm or less cold. Vill du se vattenfallet? Oj!
Som där. Men eftersom du har ryggsäck så är det...
It's watery here. It actually is water here. So hopefully we can get some really nice pictures. Gonna do some long exposure, short exposure. I'm thinking maybe do some slow motion movies as well. See what we can get. It's kind of big. I like the combination of water and ice, so I think that could be some really unique pictures. So hopefully we could get some really nice work done here. Okay, so far so good. This is my first vlog. It's not going to be a visit of every day during the week in the future. This is just a chance for me to present myself to you so you could get to know me. If you like the vlog, I would love to see a thumbs up. If you have any questions about gears I use, about technique I use, about things that are related to me, anything that's related to what I do or who I am, just give me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you.